This video will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to install the Miniflashing with the Low Profile QuickBOLT. The Low Profile QuickBOLT with Miniflashing is a double flash mounting system. It contains Microflashing and Miniflashing. Because of this, you do not need to use any sealant. To install, you're going to need a rafter locating tool, a drill with a 3/16 drill bit, a 6mm deep socket, and a 1/2 inch deep socket or end wrench, as well as a tool to separate the shingles. You do not need to remove any nails or staples to install the Miniflashing. After locating the rafter, drilling a pilot hole and clearing the area, place the Microflashing over the pilot hole. Drive the bolt down with your drive tool until the Microflashing is compressed. It takes about 125 pounds of torque to completely compress the Microflashing. Place the L-foot over the bolt and start to thread the nut onto the bolt. Separate the shingles and slide the Miniflashing underneath the shingle and covering the L-foot. Then, tighten the nut to secure the Miniflashing and L-foot. Now, you are ready to attach your rail to the mount. The information you will need to get approval from your AHJ is on the Permit Package tab on our website. You must be logged in to gain access to the test results.